So the first thing you're going to want to do if you have a lien placed on your house in Florida is you're going to want to contact a construction attorney. You basically have four options when you have a lien put on your property. One is you can do nothing. The contractor has a year from when they put that lien on your property to file a lawsuit to enforce it through a foreclosure suit. But if they miss that year deadline, then the lien falls off your property automatically as a matter of law. So you could choose to do nothing and wait it out. Your second option is to record what's called a notice of contest of lien. What that does is it shortens that 1 year time frame from down to 60 days that the contractor has to file that suit against you. So it invites the fight, but if the contractor is not really looking to pursue it any further, then the lien comes off your property within 60 days if they don't sue. Your third option is to actually file a lawsuit against the contractor. That will give him only 20 days to file that suit against you for the lien, and if he doesn't, it falls off your property in 20 days. And then finally, you can actually bond off the lien. And what that means is you take the money that the contractor is saying in the lien that you owe them, plus a little bit extra, and you're depositing it into the registry of the court. That removes the lien from your property, attaches it to the money, and then you still have to fight over the money, but it's a way for you to get the lien off your property without having to pay your contractor directly. It'll probably require you to come out of pocket for more money than you really want to, but if you really need the lien off your property and don't want to pay the contractor, that's the only way to do it.